Hello friends, my name is Eric Jesus and today I'm planning to record this video to talk to you guys about like an amazing tool that I've been using lately and I used it in the past. Kind of like I see that a lot of Power BI communities are using streaming and all those kind of things, and even like Chaz is doing like some kind of streaming in YouTube. I believe also that somebody else shared like Tristan. He shared that some tools with Google Plus or something like that that you can utilize to try to stream live your webinars from your community. So that's why that was one of the reasons that motivated me to create this video and kind of like guide you guys into the what exactly you guys can use for this. I see this tool like really useful for myself, as this tool you can stream like almost like everywhere. I mean, to be honest with you, everywhere. I mean, I have done streaming in YouTube, on Facebook, and there are some other platform as well that you can use. So the name of this application is Open Broadcaster Software, and it's called OBS Studio. So OBS Studio is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux software. So you can download it. It's a really simple installation, and I'm going to show you how the kind of the interface look like a bit. So don't be scared that it's looking like this. So this is actually the OBS Studio, which you can use to do your streaming live. So now one of the thing is OBS Studio has some settings for the streaming that these ones are all the things that you can stream live. I mean, you can do Smashcast, like you can use Facebook, you can use, let me see what else. We have Web TV you can do as well. I mean, and everywhere. I mean, kind of like every, some like nice social media. And the main one here is YouTube. This is the one that I want to show you guys today, and the ones that actually I think is going to be beneficial for the Power BI communities and people that want to use these things, right? So the main thing that you want to do is like you want to go to your YouTube channel, right? So as soon as you download your how we call it our OBS Studio, you want to go to the YouTube channel, right? So in that channel, that's the place that you're gonna get your API key for streaming, right? I'm sorry, a streaming key, right? So how are you gonna get your streaming key? So right now I'm logged in here in YouTube as Global Power BI Community, and here you see the plus sign for the video, right? So then you click in here and you click and go live. So when you click and go live, that's gonna bring you like to a complete different screen, and here you're gonna name your stream, or how you're gonna call it. Like let's call it live OBS webinar, right? By Eric De Jesus, right? So then when you have this, I mean, here you can select where specifically you want this to appear in YouTube, right? So science sector, technology for sure. And we're gonna do this just right now. So you can upload any custom thumbnail you wanna put in there, but we find for now, I just want to explain to you generically how this thing works. So let me move this screen away from here, right? And we will come back to that later. So then in this screen, like here, I wanna create my stream, right? So as soon as I create the stream, what is going to happen is it's going to bring me the stream URL that you can share across, and also everybody that is registered on your page is going to get this notification that your YouTube channel is live, and they're going to, as soon as they get that notification, if they are registered to get notifications from your channel, they're going to get that notification to their YouTube page, sign in, and then they're going to be able to come to your live streaming right here. So the first thing is, cool thing is that my stream key, right, is hidden. I just want to copy that key. When you copy this key, and I'm going to give you another setting that probably you want to change, is that you need to make sure that you select your streaming to be public, right? because if you do it private, then only you're gonna be able to view that. But we want to go public, so make sure you select public over here, and then we going live today, 12:10, and you save the settings, right? So those are settings that you need to do from your YouTube channel. Then you copy your key. So when you have your key copy, what you want to do is you want to go to the settings on OBS Studio, and you want to select the stream, right? So the stream is going to be YouTube, and then you select the primary server, and then you copy your key over here, right? Then you paste your key there and click OK, and you're ready to go. So the next step is going to be start streaming. But in this case, I'm recording this local on my computer, so I don't want to select start streaming. But as soon as you select start streaming, this will gonna start like showing in YouTube. So, and to be honest with you, let me try to do something crazy I have not tried before in this application. I'm gonna start streaming continuously. I'm recording and streaming at the same time. So as soon as I start streaming, now that we start streaming on OBS, let's see what happened over here, right? So let's wait a little bit in here, and let's see whether we get the option to go live. If that happens, then this is, you can also record and you can go live. Actually, yes. I mean, you can record and stream at the same time from OBS Studio. And if I set this to go live, let's see what happened. So right now I'm live, and cool feature about this, I mean, we are live. I mean, we are live in YouTube for the world. I mean, this is like you see, like you have excellent connection. It give you like some analytics also as well, like how things are going. You have also, you know, how many viewers are gonna be on the window, right? How many likes, new members, chat revenue, or whatever, right? So all those kind of things are live in here in this. And for the people that are watching live, the reason that we are live right now is because we are recording how to use OBS Studio, and we are recording local, the full video. But right now, just to show you guys how this tool can go stream live from, you know, from your, for any meetings and stuff like that. This is the way that you do. So another cool feature here is that when you on your YouTube paid channel, right, for your community, here is where you can interact with your people, right? So you're gonna be able to see like all the messages live and reply to people, this is pretty cool. I mean, here everybody will see, you will see all the messages. You will be able to interact as a global Power BI user group and talk to all the people that are in your channel. So we're gonna be using this feature with Sam. I'm sorry. We're gonna be using this feature starting on May. Hopefully, we're gonna have a webinar. And this webinar, we're gonna be using this feature, right? So as soon as we get this thing live, so we're gonna, you know, we're gonna let you guys know. We're gonna send some videos and stuff like that, some information regarding this webinar that we're gonna be doing. So now, I want to tell you something really quick here. One of the thing is, like, as soon I click on my OBS Studio stop streaming, then the streaming is gone, and then you're gonna be able to, you know, end your stream in YouTube, and then as soon you end the streaming, this is gonna be posted in your community and your channel, I'm sorry, page. So there, like, people are gonna be able to have access to the recording. They're gonna be able to see what are you doing and what you work, what actually was the meeting. So now, how you get to see the screen that the other person is kind of using, right? So let's say like I have a host, I'm hosting a webinar, right? And I have this webinar, and I want to share the screen of the person that is going to be interacting with me. Whether you're using Skype, whether you're using WebEx, GoToMeeting, or whatever tool you're using to do your session, you just need to be connected with the person that is going to be presenting for you or for your community. And then the thing is that you always need to make sure that you have OBS Studio configured to that specific screen where you're going to be showing the presenter screen. So I hope like this give you guys you know, some good information on how you can stream live from OBS to YouTube, and hopefully this help you guys in your community to grow as well. My name is Everett Jesus, and I'm gonna try to put a blog post how to do this OBS streaming, and I'm gonna post it on my blog post page. Thank you for your support in our global Power User Group community. Come and visit us at Facebook, Twitter, and also LinkedIn group. So we're gonna share more information regarding coming presentations. We're gonna have sessions on May, starting from May, and also like I'm gonna invite you guys to see Vishal Pawar and myself like in the Power Platform Chicago World Tour. We're gonna be presenting some cool things in there. So we hope to see you there. Thank you very much, and see you soon.